What's up, guys? Welcome to Far Cry 4. I am Spidery, and you are amazing people watching this video. So, like I said, got Far Cry 4 for Easter, and, well, I shouldn't say for Easter. I got it near Easter. Yeah, I should say that. So, sorry I'm not uploaded in a really long time. I felt like it's been forever. What was it, like 2 weeks, I think, or something? Well, yeah, so I've just been really busy with school, Easter, and just the kind of stuff like that. But we're here now, so that's a good thing. I wanted to know more about this game before I made a video on it, because, because if I didn't really know how to play it, I guess it would just kind of be me trying to figure out how to play the game. Yeah, I figured for this video, we should probably try to hunt some special animals, I should say. I think that would be pretty fun, so, yeah. Wait, darn it, I just did a circle. I know I don't have face cam, and that's because it's kind of like the Call of Duty thing. I would like you guys to see all of it. I may add face cam in my future Far Cry 4 videos, but for now, I'm not. Alright, so we're going to go over to this outpost over here. I believe that's what it is. Yeah, I think we're actually, we're probably going to hunt some rare animals and do this outpost. Going on a journey on a four-wheeler, going to a journey on a four-wheeler. Combat ready. Alright, got you. Oh god, where are you shooting me from? What? Whoa, well, that would have been good to know if you're right there. Okay, heal, heal, heal. Ow. Come on, come on. Heal, 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 heal! Okay. Come on, reload, reload. Yes, really. Why are you guys coming in from here? Ah! Alright, we gotta start a fire. Sorry, plants. But this will set up a little trap so they can't get past there. Yay! No. Ow, 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 ow. Come on, I need to get some syringes. That's what we're going to have to do in this video, too. Alright, we're going to have to resort to quick scoping. God dang it. Oh my god. No, don't die. Come on. This is a simple task. It's a simple task. How can I die? Wait, come on. I'm not going to die. If I die, this is an easy task. Okay, I need to retreat just for a second. Come on. Okay, I might just like, I need to get something that allows me to have unlimited syringes. You know how awesome that would be? No! Everything needs to reload, man. Yeah, you're gone. You're gone. No. Oh! Oh! That helped, I think. Yeah, that's right. Yes! Oh, that took way too much longer than it should have. Outpost is ours. Oh, thanks, guys. Arriving. Yeah. Alright, time to search everyone. Let's see, what gun do you have? Oh, you're gonna don't have. Sweet. Wait, what the heck? Wait, is there animals here? There usually is. What the heck? I did not know they do that to pigs. Nice house. Let's see what's in. Is it just the same?
As soon as I'm better,
whoa, this one's bigger.
Make him big.
This is cool. Very cool. Oh, get supplies.
That's my home.
This is my home.
My family. And now they're dead because of him.
I'll do that. Okay, I'm not gonna buy syringes because I can just craft those later. Okay, did I get that? No! I just... Okay. Moving on. Okay, wait, we should probably refill ammo. Hold on. Okay. Purchase, if you said so. So, what is this? Am I supposed to burn this? Because in a mission, I had to burn all that. So, yeah. Alright, well, let's finally do what I was supposed to do in this video. So, let's finally do what we're supposed to do. I think we should go hunt bears. Bears are cool. And I've got a sniper, so this is gonna be fun. I think we're really gonna enjoy this. And also this series, too. I think in general. Ooh, wait. Yes. I think I saw like a blue plant back here. No! I'm not fighting. Okay. Sorry. Back to what we needed to do. What the heck? Ah! Whoa! Stay back! Oh, stay back! Okay. Fortress. Whoa! Fortresses are heavily defended outposts with more troops and tougher defenses. Invite a friend to play co-op and take down the fortress together. Or use your guns. Okay.
Careful, brother. You are close to De Bleur's fortress. Taking it will not be easy as long as De Bleur controls the region. Tread carefully.
No! I don't want to do it. No! Is this... No! I'm not... Alright, keep going. Elephant! Cool! Hold on, I'm gonna ride you, elephant. I got the upgrade, I wanna ride you. Yes, nice elephant. Yeah. Yeah! I'm gonna call you Hetty. By the way, that's a reference to Jacksepticeye. Ow! Hey! What the heck, guys? That's not nice. Woohoo! Yeah! Yeah, I got all my sniper. Oh. Oh! Boom! Hey! What'd you guys do? Oh, sweet! Hey, it's your sister. Okay, I'm gonna take your skin though. Sorry. I'm only doing it in memory of you, Hetty. You're a good elephant, right? No, you're not. You're mean right now. Good elephant. Good girl. Come on, good girl. Yeah, that's right. Do elephants have hair? Yeah, I guess, because you can see it. I know they, like, originated from mammoths, but I don't know. Oh, okay, now I got her choice. Elephant or awesome dune buggy? Elephant or awesome dune buggy? Okay, sorry, Hetty. We're gonna take the awesome dune buggy. You'll be remembered. You're free now. God. Time to go. That was a bear! 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 Where were you, bear? Alright, we're in bear territory now. Where were you, bear? You can't hide from me, I saw you. Ah! Don't shoot the bear, you're gonna attract him. Actually, where are you guys? Oh, he's over there. Oh yeah! Take him out, bear! Kick his butt. No, you guys don't see me, do you? Yeah, no you don't. No you don't. No. You don't see me. Nope, you see me. God dang it. No! Stop it! Ow. Ow. I will get you. Why is there... Ugh. Wait, hold on. Kill him. Yeah! I am a bow master. Oh, give me that achievement. Yeah. Sweet. Like a boss. Okay, I guess I'll get that because that's annoying to watch. Okay, now we need to start getting. Oh wait. Yeah, really? Yeah. No. All right. So did they kill the bear for me? I'm pretty sure they did. Where'd the bear? Oh wait. What?
How are you doing, Ajay?
What?
No!
Did I get something? Okay, maybe they didn't kill the bear. Okay, so mainly this video is not me killing animals. No! Sucks for you. I keep hearing bears, but I'm trying to deliver this. Sorry guys, I get sidetracked really easy in video games, and definitely when I'm making videos.
You are close to De Bleur's fortress. Taking it will not be easy as long as De Bleur controls the region. Tread carefully.
Leave me alone, car. Whoa, tree. Okay, let's keep going. These can't really shoot us from behind, so we're kind of safe, but we're kind of not. We just gotta keep moving. Aw, dang it. I just realized that on the radar, our guys were following me, and then they died. God darn it. Yay, we're here. Yeah. Ow. Yeah. Boy. Woo. What did I get? What am I getting for this? Come on, give me some stuff. Molotovs, grenades, ammo, arrows, ammo, and 36 grand. Woo! That paid back from when I bought ammo too. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna leave the video here. I know we were supposed to go hunting. I'm very sorry. We only really got to see one bear, and we didn't even kill it. And I don't know where it went, but next video, I promise I'll make it up to you guys. So, yeah. And I will see you in the next video.